are pleased to show you the 2015 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, security system, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.